Hey, it's Ben from AGP Turbo. I'm one of the owners here at AGP, and we've been in the turbo industry for over 20 years. Today I'd like to introduce some products for the 2007.5 to 2018 6.7 Cummins applications. So if you own a 6.7 Cummins turbo truck, you know that you're only getting about 100,000 miles out of the turbo. We do have what we call our reman assembly, which is a brand new cartridge assembly. So new wheels, new bearing housing, new bearings, new slider assembly, new vanes. All the internal components that are movable components are all brand new in this. We take the end housings, we recondition the end housings, we make them clean again. So those are the only reused parts on those. These come with a brand new whole set actuator that has already been calibrated, so it's ready to bolt on your truck.